Welcome to another episode of Down South Off-Road and Outdoor. I don't know if you can tell by my hat, but it is 4th of July weekend. So I hope you all had a great time and you were all safe. So we're getting ready to go on a 4th of July Jeep ride. So there's one little mod that I want to put on before I go on this ride. So stay tuned. So you guys that know me, I've told you before that I am a flashlight whore. So you'll see my Streamlight Polytac riding down there on my Molly Platform Solutions holster mount. And I love it there. It's easy to get to. But when I'm doing long road drives, that flashlight digs into my calf a little bit when I'm letting my leg rest. So I found a new mount that I'm going to give a try. And that is the FishBone off-road front seat flashlight mount. Now this is for a D-cell mag light. So I'm gonna be putting this in, and I bought the LED version of the big mag light. So this is still a cool mag light to keep in your car for self-defense. Once you load this thing up with these D batteries, you know, it'd be a nightmare to get smacked in the head with. So we're going to be installing the mag light and the FishBone off-road mount. All right, so I just snapped this box open, and man, doing unboxings with one person can be tough. So here is the mount. Oh, I'm losing some bolts. So need to pay attention. And they have nuts in there. So definitely would have packaged it a little bit differently, maybe put those nuts and bolts into a little baggie on their own, but I can't complain too much. It was priced great. So now with all the pesky bubble wrap out of the way, I mean, this thing it's built pretty cool. This thing was less than 50 bucks. It's got the great FishBone logo there. So it looks really, really nice. You can see that all that holds this on are 2 bolts. And so if you're wondering where it goes, when you come down here to your seat, you'll see those 2 bolt holes that it goes through right there on each end. So I'm not going to show you the install because I don't have a way to hold my phone right now. I know, poor planning on my part, but I'll get it mounted up and show you what it looks like. All right, guys, that was easy peasy and took no time at all. It is very sturdy once it's in there. So let's get this mag light opened up and see what it looks like in there. My head knocking mag light is functional, and I think you just push that like that, and boom. That is awesome, guys. Out of the way, not gonna hit my legs. Pretty happy with that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. This thing is dirt cheap and a super cool way to carry a big mag light that you can use to light your way or for self-defense. That was the FishBone off-road. Try to get my nipple out of there. That was the FishBone off-road D-cell flashlight mount. This little mag light's pretty cool, by the way. I don't know how bright that looked in the camera, but it's pretty bright. It's very hefty. Definitely a good head knocker. I'm not advocating knocking heads, but I'm saying sometimes people need it. So I'd rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it. Thank you for watching. If you would, please like, subscribe, comment, ring the bell. In the comments, tell my wife how pretty she is. She likes that. And until next time, guys.